Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix a broken ancient sword in Minecraft. First, make sure you have the correct materials. You will need the broken ancient sword and several relic scraps. Without these scraps, the repair process will not work, so double-check your inventory before moving forward. Now go to your workbench. Once you open it, you will see the crafting interface. Place the broken ancient sword in the top left slot. This position is important, so do not place it anywhere else. Next, take your relic scraps and place them in the bottom fuel slot of the workbench. These scraps act as the resource needed to repair the sword. The more damaged your sword is, the more scraps you may need. After placing both items correctly, you do not need to press anything else. Just wait for a few seconds. The game will automatically start repairing the sword. You will notice the progress as the sword gets restored. Once the process is complete, your ancient sword will be fully repaired and ready to use again. You can now equip it and continue your adventure without any issues. Thanks for watching.